guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren, and today I have a Smartass Sass box to open up. So I am super excited about this one. Now, if excuse me, if you are unfamiliar with this box, it's got a lot of quirky things inside. There may be some things that have some curse words in there, so if you don't want to hear any of that, because I'm probably going to be saying it, you might want to turn out the channel now or switch to something else if you've got kids around, or turn the sound down. But if you've never heard of this box before, this is my first one, and so I've seen other people get theirs, and they've got a lot of just kind of kitschy stuff with some. It's like there's all around a theme. They have different boxes you can get. So they have. Let me just start there. So they have one where and there's 3 different levels. So you can just get one with just a T-shirt, and that's a $15.95 subscription a month just for the T-shirt, or you can get the Smartass Sass box, which is everything in all their products without the T-shirt for $34.95, or you can get the big box, which is what I should have. I'm pretty sure that's what I signed up for $49.95, and that has everything plus the shirt. So you're kind of paying retail value for the shirt, because $15 for a specialty graphic T-shirt with the funny saying on it is pretty reasonable, I would say. So the box in and of itself, I'm sure my mailman had a fun time with this one. It says right here, classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy, which that is me. And one of my favorite sayings, well-behaved women seldom make history. That's by Laurel Thatcher Ulrich. And on the back, which my shipping label pulled it off a little bit, it says, drop it like it's hot, but not really, it's fragile. So just some fun stuff. And I like things like this, especially when we're stuck inside right now. It's like you need a little bit of humor, break up this crazy world that we're living in right now with something fun. So let's get into this. So when you first open it up, it looks like this. There's a little thank you card right here. Thing about their rewards program. Let's see what else. Oh, so this month's theme is That's What She Said. And then that's awesome. That's awesome. So then they have a description of everything that's in here, of the products. Let's see here. Oh, and then there's a little sneak peek. The August theme for next month. So if you're interested in signing up for this box after you look at all this, the theme for next month is going to be Welcome to the Shit Show. That is the world. It says August subscription will celebrate the circuses we call home. It's tough being the ringleader trying to keep the chaos to a minimum. This month we are celebrating your commitment to keeping the proverbial, if I could talk, shit from hitting the fan. Welcome to the shit show. But let's get into That's What She Said. I'm looking forward to this. So looks like we've got right here on top, we've just move that out of the way. There are some pencils, like a little pencil set by Tiramisu, gold foil printed pencils. And it says on there, That's What She Said. So when I'm back in my office, and we actually get to go back into the office to work, I might leave one of these on everybody's desk, as long as I don't get in trouble or get sent to HR. But That's What She Said isn't always what she said. It could be something different. You never know. Let's see what else we got in here. It looks like here's a little thank you card. It says thank you for supporting Smartass Sass, for encouraging small businesses, for being awesome as hell. And on the back, it says Smartass Sass shirt. Totally flexible goals. So this is just details about your new favorite shirt. That should be in here. So so they have collectible sassy stickers. Designs 3 of 6, so maybe they're like trading stickers. These ones are tacos, and they say bite me, because that's what she said. bite my taco. Oh, I'm gonna stick this on somebody's car. I know exactly who I'm gonna give this to. Next, we have a little greeting card. It says, "I'm glad I have a friend like you with a dirty mind and a filthy mouth." That's funny. One of my friends recently sent me a very sweet card. And so this would be one that I can send back to her, because she definitely has a dirty mind and a filthy mouth, and it's my kind of person. All right, let's see what else we got in here. There is a bunch of stuff. Like, look at this. There's like a bunch of stuff crammed in here. What is this? It's gonna be a little loud as I rip into this. Oh, I guess I can look at the thing here too. So, okay, you know what? I'm gonna read the little things on here just as we go through. So the bite me eat, oh, does it say, did I read that right? Oh, I didn't even notice it. So it says bite me, and then on this side it says eat me. So the bite me, eat me stickers. Oh, I'm like skipping around here. There's some other stuff in here. Okay, wait, hold on. We're gonna come back to this. So the pencil set. So it says that the pencil set, this is a set of 6 pencils, is a great way to let loose, know your sense of humor, and find the fellow office fans. It says desk accessory nerds will drool over them and friends will want to steal them. Okay, and that is an $8 value. So that's worth $8. So next, so this here is a tea towel. So it says pizza, it says size matter. Okay, so it's got pizzas on it, like pizza slices, and it says size matters, or some, well, you can see that. So it says sometimes size matters. It's all about your slice. So your size matters. This is cute. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna go hang this right on top of my oven that sits dead center in the middle of my kitchen. I'm gonna hang it there so it'll be like this, because yes, size does matter. This, it says, we are completely obsessed with jacquard style tea towels. They're so soft and absorbent. The towel is 28 by 21 inches and 100% cotton. Unfold the towel for a full pizza masterpiece. This is a $12 value. Super cute. I like this. This is fun. Okay, so next, okay. Hold on. Where'd my scissors go? I'm gonna cut this. Hopefully it's is this? Oh, this is kind of, okay, that's probably what this goes to. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself here. This is like a little soap dispenser, and it says on here, well, you can kind of see it here. It says, you know what you touched, because that's what she said. So you know what you touched, so wash your gosh darn hands. And this is an $18 value. It's the Know What You Touch soap dispenser from Buffalovely. Says, you're gross and you know it. Each dispenser holds 8 ounces of your favorite soap. The text is screen printed with ceramic ink and baked to seal the design. It's dishwasher safe if needed. And this is an $18 value. This is super cute. This would be fun in like a guest bath. So I like that. I'm gonna fill that up and put that in the bathroom right now. Let's see, what else is in here? There's just so much stuff. So next, let me get into this one. This is, so this is a little hanky. I'm gonna get close so you can see this. It has, you know, in your lawn as a little kid, you get the weeds that are like the little round, like aster things, and you would blow them. I have no idea what those are called, but they're on here, and it says blow me. And it has the little thing, but it's a handkerchief, so you would blow your nose, but it says blow me. Honestly, if there was a way that you could just turn this into a face mask, so it just says blow me. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. So the Blow Me Hankie is a Smartass Sass design. It says classy from far away, sassy from up close. This handkerchief is 12 by 12 inches and made from a soft 100% cotton blend. It says with the scalloped edging. If anyone ever asks to borrow it, we hope they LOL. And this is an $8 value. This is super cute. This is very cute. I like this. Okay, moving on. Gosh, there's so much stuff. Let's see here. This is a perfume oil. It says, some things are worth waiting for. This is a perfume roller from Wicked Good. One whiff and you will instantly be transported to an island of healthy delights. Apply inside the wrists, creases of the elbow, the neck. This product is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, false vape-free, non-toxic. Comes in eco-conscious packaging. It's 10 milliliters, and this is an $18 value. And then on here too, it says if you use the code SMARTASS at the Wicked and Good Company website, you get an extra 20% off. So if you like this and you wanted to get more, then there's a discount code that they provided. Oh, that does have like a tropical island little smell. Sometimes when you put it, oh, that's nice, little roller ball. When you put things on, sometimes it has like a little bit of a different, definitely getting like the coconutty type smell. It smells nice. Oh, well, it says right here, coconut water, monoterre, if I said that right, and jasmine blend. Very cool. That's very cool. Let's see what else we've got. So this in this little package. Oh, how fun. This is a flask and it says bottoms up on it. It's like a nice kind of almost, I don't know if that's like real leather or not, but it's like kind of like that, maybe like a vegan leather coating on here. It's lightweight. It's not super heavy. So let's see here. So this is the flask. It says made from a green vegan leather and food grade stainless steel. It'll remind you to tip up and knock one back. So this is a $12 value. And this, it was from the same as the stickers. This is why I held back off on the stickers. So the Bite Me, Eat Me stickers, it says the tacos can't offend anyone, right? These high quality stickers are outdoor durable and coated with a matte lamination for long lasting color. So these are a $3 value. There's a set of 2. And then the flask. So these are both Smartass Sass products. So they're the ones that came up with these ones. I like this. I like that it's lightweight. I don't know if anybody makes road colas or if it's just me, but if you're going out and you want to make your own cocktail on the go, this is a good thing to have. And it's nice, it's light, fits in your purse. Don't tell anybody I said that. Okay, so now I think the last thing I have in my box is my t-shirt. Like I said, in this little itty bitty box, there was so much stuff crammed in here. So the t-shirt says, let's see here, I'm gonna get this tag out of the way. It says, as long as everything is exactly how I want, I'm totally flexible. Yes. So long as everything how I want it to be, I will be totally flexible. That's cute. So if I stand up, it's like this. I probably could have downsized. I put extra large just because sometimes you never know. And especially if it shrinks, I don't like my t-shirts, especially something like this. Like, I like my t-shirts to be loose and fitting casually. Let me see here if this is, so it's 52% cotton and 48 polyester, so it's not going to shrink too bad. I probably could downsize from an extra large to a large because this will be pretty long on me, but it'll fit and it'll be super comfy. This, let's see here, is the shirt listed on here? The shirt is not listed on this one. Well, we know the shirt is like a $15.95 value. So details about your favorite shirt. It says it's a heather deep gray unisex fit blend. Machine wash warm, inside out like colors, designed by Smartass Sass and printed locally. So I need to figure out where they are located at so I can see where locally is. Very fun. This is very, very, very fun. And I don't think I told the value of the card. The card also has a $5 value to it. So there's definitely, when I look at this, I mean, there's over $50 worth of, I mean, more than $50 worth of stuff in this box that got put in here. I'm like really happy about this. This is fun stuff. This is the kind of stuff that I need in my life right now to just to help bring a little laughter, a little joy. I mean, I can tell you, I am going to put this soap dispenser in my bathroom. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm going to go fill it and put it in there. I'm not even going to tell my husband. I'm going to wait and see how long it takes him to actually notice. Same thing with the kitchen towel. Very happy about this. I love that. And some of these other things, like I already have like some plans that I'm going to do with all this stuff. But this was super fun. Super, super, super fun. I mean, when I stop and think about all of this and this, I mean, that's a lot of stuff for, what did I say, $49.95? I mean, if I was to go into a store, Spencer's or one of those kind of places and try to find this stuff on my own, I mean, it would be way more expensive. But I enjoyed this. I enjoyed this thoroughly. It's a good laugh. And I'm actually looking forward to what next month is going to be, since it's Welcome to the Shit Show. I cannot wait for that box. I think this is probably going to be my new favorite one, just because it is one of those smart ass and sassy type of boxes. So make sure you guys like and subscribe this video if you want to see more. Hit the bell so you get notified when I get my next videos posted up. And until next time, thank you so much for spending your day with me, and I will see you later. Bye.